Hi everyone, this is one of our projects that we've just completed, and it's a little pond that we made in our allotment. As you can see, it's April time and we haven't got much down, and it's looking a bit plain and simple, and it's just really cold to put anything down anyway, especially things that we wanted to work on this pond, and all we used was a very simple plant pot with no holes underneath. That's a bucket, I'm just using it for demonstration. So we used this green plant pot with no holes in. We dug a really small hole and then just fitted it in, and then we just collected loads of stones and just created like a nice circle shape, and you just pop the stones around it. Over here we created, like, I planted a little lily and it just seems like it's coming up. Well, camera quality is not great. So, and we've just got this little paradise, and we've got some tadpoles in there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. We just did a cutting off this and another cutting, and we just created this pond, and I just like to sit here sometimes and just really enjoy it. Now that it's finished, it just looks great. Thanks for watching.